Hello, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to touch base with you guys really quickly about my giveaway that's going on through October 21st. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, I'll leave a card up here linking to the video that talks about the giveaway itself. I'm so happy that people are entering the giveaway, that are interested. Hopefully there's things in there that you really love. But I wanted to point out one of the rules. It says that you have to have your subscriptions public so that I can verify that you're subscribed if the common picker chooses you as the winner. I've been checking on some of the people who've entered, and there are some that do not have their subscriptions public. And I realized that you may not realize that you have to, or that there's even an option to turn them off, or that you should check. So just in case, real quickly, I'm going to run through what you have to do, or you can search for it on YouTube. There are actually videos where they will walk you through it. But real quickly, what you need to do to check whether your subscriptions are public or private, or if you want to change them, sign into YouTube. On the top right, click your profile picture, then click Settings, and then in the left-hand menu, select Privacy. And then under Privacy, you'll see that there's a little slider to turn on or off, Keep all my subscriptions private. If that is on, then we can't see, no one can see what channels you're subscribed to, and that includes anyone who's hosting a giveaway. So you have to have that option, Keep all my subscriptions private, turned off in order for us to be able to verify that you are subscribed to the channel. And it's not just me. Like I said, most giveaways that I've seen on YouTube do require that you be subscribed and that they be able to verify that by the fact that you have your subscriptions public. So that's just something I wanted to point out, because like I said, I have seen at least a few people who entered the giveaway or tried to enter the giveaway but don't have subscriptions public. And unfortunately, that is one of the rules, and if I can't verify that you are a subscriber that way, then I need to select another winner. And I hate to have somebody lose out on it just because they didn't know that their subscriptions were private, or that there was even an option of something that you might have to select. So even if you think that your subscriptions are public, take 30 seconds to go double check, just in case. Like I said, not only for mine, but for any giveaway that you may want to enter. Leave any comments down in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, or if you just enjoy me rambling like this. Subscribe down below if you haven't already, and check to make sure your subscriptions are public if you want to be able to win giveaways. Thank you for checking in with me today. When you saw this video, please stay safe, take care of yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.